Hello everyone, welcome to episode 8 in Senior Tech. Today we're going to be covering simple word processing, and I'm going to use a program called WordPad, which comes free with your Windows 10 computer. Actually, it comes free in most versions of Windows. So let's find it. First easy way to find it, like always, is go to the little search bar here, click on it, start typing the word Word, and there it is, WordPad. So I'm just going to click on that once, and here is WordPad. I want to make it big here to make it easier to see, so we click on this right here, and here we go, it's full size. If you enter the Enter key on your keyboard, it moves the cursor down. It has a lot of little simple features here which make it able to create some nice interesting things. The first thing is you can choose the type that you want to use, and there are a lot of them in Microsoft. So you can pick something that looks like this, Comic Sans. You pick the size right here. I like to make it a little bigger, it's easier to see. Next here you will see the B. You can make the text bold. I'll show you how to make specific areas of the text bold. This is to make the text italic. This is to underline the text that you've chosen. I'll show you how to choose the text in a minute. This puts a line through the text. So for example, if you made a list of things to do and as you completed them you wanted to strike it through, this is what you would use. This is to make the font that you pick in a particular section smaller, and this is to make it bigger. This is where you choose the color of the font. Again, there's quite a few choices right here. You can even go to more colors. This works just like a highlighter. So you can highlight certain sections of text by using this little button here. Let's go back to the top. This decreases the indent of a particular line. This increases it. This lets you put in bulleted list. And all that is you can pick dots or you can pick numbers and so on. So if I pick the dots here, you see the dot appear to start a list. Every time I hit the Enter key, it goes away. So if I type something here and then I hit the Enter button, it handles it just like a list. If I go to the next one, I don't want the button there. I'm finished with my list. All I go is here, click on this once, it goes away. I'm back to normal typing. This little button here controls your line spacing. You can make it bigger or smaller and so on. This controls the alignment of the text. So for example, if I click here and I go to the center one, puts everything in the center. This puts everything to the right. This one here brings it back. This is the standard one all the way to the left. This right here is a paragraph dialog box, and I'll click on that just to show you. It shows you the setup of the paragraph, what kind of indent you want, and so on. Now there are a lot of things you can do in here. Let's hit the Enter button. Let's hit it again. The little dot goes away. You can insert a picture into your document. If I go to Picture here, it automatically defaults to your pictures inside of this PC. But if you have it somewhere else, you can find it here. But I have a picture right here that I downloaded just to show you. Let's say you took a trip to Switzerland. So I want to put this picture into my document. I click on it once and hit Open. And it inserts the picture right into my document. If I click on the picture once, these little features appear, which allow me, you see the little arrows that appeared over the corner? to reduce my picture. I can also do it this way or this way. Click a little bit after the picture, you see the cursor is blinking right there. So let me scroll up a little bit. If you just scroll with your mouse, it'll scroll up a little bit. If I hit enter, I'm back to the line underneath. You can write a description of what that picture is. Hit enter again. I can put in another picture of the train ride we took. So I click on that once, hit open, and it puts that picture in. Again, if I click on the picture, I get the options to shrink it proportionately. So there's a lot that you can do in this simple program. It's free. It comes with Microsoft Windows 10. It actually comes in just about every Microsoft. Here, let me click enter again and show you something nice that it has here. For example, date and time. If I click on that, it shows me all the different formats that I can put it in. Let's try it this way. Click OK, and it puts it right in. It uses the type that I have chosen already. So you can make a nice group of pictures here, put dates on it, so on and so forth. You can draw in it. Not too many people do, but you can make a drawing and put it into your document. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. You can go to view here too, and you can zoom in or out of the document. So if I want to zoom in, make it bigger, easier for me to work. If you have bad eyes like me, there it is, perfect. If I just want to go to the regular 100%, how it's going to look like, I can click on this. I can click on this to zoom out. I can have it show the ruler up here or not show it by clicking it on and off, or the status bar. So let's go to 100%. That's what it's going to really look like. And I can just use my scroll bar here to scroll. If I hit enter and keep hitting enter, it keeps going down. Let's go back to home here. We've covered most of the buttons that are here. Let's go to File, show you what's there. You can create another new document by clicking New. It's asking me to save the changes to this one. I'll say Don't Save. So that is WordPad. Very simple, easy way to create things. Under File, you can save your document. You can save it as. You can print it to your printer, or you can send it in an email. So there are a lot of great little options here. I can hit the exit button and it takes me out of it. Well, we're going to stop here with this. I try to keep my videos short. I know sometimes it's a lot to digest all at once. But I thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel below. Also the little thumbs up symbol, liking our video, it helps us, it keeps us ranked in YouTube. Like always, our link to our website is in the description of this video. So thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for our next episode of Senior Tech.